kitchen with Chef Ricardo cooking show. Is amazing to be in the kitchen giving you favorite drink. Basically this is a green drink which you can see spinach, ginger, lime, honey, and also red apple. Really good for you guys. Just give you a nice lovely flavor in the afternoon or in the morning for breakfast. Basically full enough lot of taste and it's really good for you. And enjoy the recipe. Subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching my cooking show. We have a lot more recipe coming your way. This is from Chef Ricardo on the team, and see you next time. Bye bye. Welcome back in the kitchen with Chef Ricardo cooking show. Basically today we want to make you one nice lovely MLT drink, which is gonna be, forget my smoothie right here. That's my smoothie blender. First of all, we're gonna put a nice lovely handful of spinach, and spinach is good for you. Second thing, I just remove the skin of a red apple, and basically we just wanna cut up that red apple and put it straight inside of it like this. Squeeze quarter of a lemon. Lime, sorry guys, lime or lemon, whatever you have you can use. Piece of a ginger. Lovely. Basically what we're gonna do is remove the skin of another apple. So we're gonna put another apple inside of it. Don't mind the seed of the apple, because the seed of the apple have a lot of vitamin, guys, seriously. Straight inside of it like that. As you can see. Nice and lovely. Then what we're gonna do next is half finger for ripe banana. Break it up and put in it. Banana have a lot of vitamin and there's a lot of benefit in banana. Some honey, roughly 2 tablespoons of honey, and 2 pieces of ice. Some water. Sure, tight and good. I'm gonna blend this for roughly about 3 seconds and the smoothie blender. So basically we're gonna do this one outer cube and blending. Lovely and nice. So that's finished. Get my glass. Take it off just like that. That's beautiful. I love my spinach. Spinach is really good for you, to be honest. Basically I remember when I used to work, oh man, I used to having spinach every day for lunch. I love my spinach. It's really good, and I will encourage anyone to have spinach breakfast, morning, lunch, or dinner. Whatever time you can get a chance. Just pour it in like this. Nice lovely glass. So basically you can have that for breakfast in the morning. The first thing in the morning you can have that for breakfast, guys. Really beautiful and nice. So it's just spinach, honey, banana, lemon, ginger. All of these ingredients works really well. So hopefully you enjoy the recipe and subscribe to the channel. And thank you so much for watching the show. See you next time. Bye bye.